We're going to change the battery on a Renault Clio Keycard. So I did have a warning message popping up here, but of course for the video I decided to no longer show. So this is the card that we'll be working with today. Yours should look the same. Little black circle on the back. This is where the battery is contained. So we're going to hit the grey button on the side to release the manual key that will pop out. Then we're going to wedge that in the middle. You could also use a screwdriver, hold firmly. We're just pulling back. That plastic circle pops right out. You need to use a fair bit of force. That will unveil the battery. So it's a CR2032 battery. There's a little black tab on the side. Hopefully it shows up on the camera. You just pull it to the side and that will release the battery. You'll see it raise up slightly and then it just pops straight out. So choose your favourite 2032 battery, slot it in. You'll see that black tab click over the top again to lock it into place. The black plastic circle, just push down very firmly, you'll hear it click. Slot the key back in, make sure it locks into place, and you're done. Like, comment, subscribe, hope you enjoy.